If God calls you to be. Good morning, guys. It is actually afternoon. It's like 12 o'clock. Today is Saturday, so usually what I usually do on Saturdays is to clean. I have to mop the floor. Then I'm trying to cook stew because if I have stew, baby, leave that thing. No, no, no. Because if I have stew today, if I make stew today, I will have to rest tomorrow because I won't have like a lot of things to do and to just relax, which is very, very important to someone like me. I'm always busy. I have a lot of movies to watch that I've not watched. So Sundays is usually a day that I just relax with my family, take care of my baby, watch some movie, let the body rest. Yeah, let's get into it. So you want to say hi to them? Say hi. Hi. Say hello. Hello. You guys told me to write my descriptions.
I feel like I'm sinking. I feel like I'm drowning. I feel like I'm sinking. And I feel like I'm drowning. I feel
guys, so I just finished making my stew. Not really, but I just finished mixing it. So now I'm about to like mop the floor just to make sure the floor is clean. You know, while the stew is cooking, I make a craw, like just to eat it with the stew. You know, yeah.
Show me person we good, my back up. All the blood and sweat and tears, I still survive. Oh. If you hold me down now, God, it did my back. Oh. I know fit to lack. Oh. Me, I know go gas. Oh. Show me person we good, my back up. All the blood and sweat and tears, I still survive. Oh. If you hold me down now, God, it did my back. Oh.
What happened to it? You spoiled this thing, eh? Finally. Hey, hey, hey. Papa, you spoiled this crap. You bullied it.